Hello everyone and welcome back to Leather Fashion Trends. If you love stylish, comfortable and modern fashion, then today's video is just for you. Today we are talking about leather leggings, one of the most versatile fashion pieces every woman should have in her wardrobe. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to Leather Fashion Trends and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest fashion inspiration. Now let's get started. Leather leggings have become one of the biggest fashion trends because they are easy to style and look great in every season. Whether you are going shopping, meeting friends, traveling or going out for dinner, leather leggings can help you create a stylish outfit in a minutes. The most popular cloth is the black color. Leather leggings match almost everything and never go out of the style. They are perfect for both casual and dressy outfits. For a simple everyday look, wear black leather leggings with an oversized white t-shirt and white sneakers, add a crossbody bag and sunglasses for a clean and modern outfit that is comfortable all day. If you want a more elegant look, wear your leather leggings with a fitted turtleneck and long blazer. Complete the outfit with ankle, boots and structured handbag. This look is perfect for lunch, dates, shopping or smart casual events. During autumns and winter, leather leggings are great choice. Pair them with a chunky knit sweaters, a long cool coat, and knee-high leather boots. This outfit is warm, stylish, and perfect for a cold weather. Now let's talk about the colors. Black is a classic favorite. Brown leather leggings create a rich and warm look. Chocolate brown is one of the top fashion colors in 2026. Burgundy adds a bold and elegant touch. Cream and biggie leather leggings are perfect for spring fashion. Another popular trend is mixing different fabrics. Leather looks beautiful with soft materials like cotton, wool, strain and cashmere. Try wearing leather leggings with a cozy sweaters for a casual look or a stained blouse for an elegant evening outfit. Now let's talk about the shoes. White sneakers are perfect for the every comfort. Ankle boots add a fashionable touch. Knee-high boots create a classy winter look. High heels or pointed toe pumps are perfect for parties and special occasions. The right shoes can completely change the outfit. Accessories also make a big difference. Carry a stylish handbag, wear a simple belt if your top is tucking it. Choose minimal gold or silver jewelry. Add a classic watch and fashionable sunglasses. Remember, simple accessories often create the most elegant style. If you are enjoying today's videos, please like the video, subscribe to Leather Fashion Trends and support our channel for more fashion ideas every week. Now let's choose the perfect leather leggings. Look for legging made from soft, stretchy material. They should fit comfortably without feeling too tight. A high-waisted design is a great choice because it gives a flattering shape and looks great with sweaters, shirts and cropped jackets. One important styling tip is to balance your outfits. Since leather leggings are fitted, pair them with oversized sweaters, loosing shirts or long blazers that creates a stylish and balanced look. Many women ask if leather leggings are suitable for every age. The answer is yes. Fashion is about confidence, not age. Choose the style that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Leather leggings can be worn in every season. In spring, wear them with a light blouse and bold flats. In summer, choose a lightweight top and comfortable sneakers for cooler evening. In autumn, pair them with knit sweaters and ankle boots. In winter, wear them with warm coats, scarves and long leather coat. This makes leather leggings one of the most useful and versatile fashionable pieces you can own. Fashion trends change every year, but leather leggings always remain stylish. Whether your style is casual, elegant, sporty or modern, leather leggings can easily become one of your favorite wardrobe essential. The most important fashion tip is to wear what makes you feel confident. Try different colors, layers and accessories to create your own personal styles. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed these leather legging outfit ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Leather Fashion Trends and share it with your friends. Tell us in the comments, how do you like to style your leather leggings with sneakers, ankle boots or long boots? Thank you for watching, stay stylish, stay confident and we will see you in the next video on Leather Fashion Trends. Hello everyone and welcome back to Leather Fashion Trends. If you love
If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold hold you close and let